React tutorial, we are going to discuss about React components. React components are the building blocks of any React application. They help break up large applications into smaller, more manageable pieces of code. Every React component has two main parts, the render method which defines what's actually shown on the page, and the component logic that defines how the component works and responds to user interactions. For example, let's say you were building a to-do list React app. You would have a main task list component responsible for rendering all of the tasks, and then individual task components for each of those tasks. The render method of your task list component might look something like this. Return tasks.map task equals greater than. This code defines how the page should look, and it's using ES6 to create individual task components for each task in the list. The component logic, on the other hand, is responsible for managing state and defining how the component should behave under different circumstances. It's where all of the interactive properties of the component live. For example, if the user clicked on a task item to delete it, the logic would likely handle the state change and remove the task item from the page. To summarize, React components are the foundation of any React application. Their render method defines what gets shown on the page while their logic handles user interactions and updates state when necessary. To get started with React components, you'll need to define both the render and logic functions for your components. Once you have those pieces in place, you can begin to stitch them together into a full-fledged application.